Good day, YouTubers. Today I want to talk a little bit about this. It's the Samsung Airline Micro, which you can see is on my pin to my collar, and the mic is down here. You can't see it properly, it's just down here. It's a very good wireless microphone, there's no doubt about it, but what I've found is I'm talking to you now on a Panasonic Lumix fz330 or 300 as it's known in the US and other countries. Now I feel sure I've noticed a sound difference between the fz330 and the fz200 when the sound is inputted into the camera onto the SD card. Now what I'm going to do, I'm talking here now so you can see me, but you can't see the camera set up obviously, but I can assure you I'm using the fz330 now, and what I'm going to do is swap over to the fz200 and put them in post and see if there really is a sound difference for you to compare. Right, okay, I'll see you in a second. Hello again, YouTubers. I'm now talking to you on the Panasonic Lumix fz200, and I've got the mic plugged into that. Same microphone, Samsung Airline Micro, all the same settings. Now with the fz200 you don't get settings in the setup menu in the camera. Also with the fz200 you don't get a 3.5mm jack plug, it's 2.5, so you have to use an 3.5 to 2.5mm jack plug adapter to get it to fit into the camera. Now as you can hear, I'm talking on this, the camera's the same distance away, everything's the same. So I would like myself to check out the comparisons now in post, and I'll put it on YouTube and you tell me what you think too. Is there a sound difference between the two cameras? Thank you. I'll see you later, my friends. Bye. Oh, don't forget to comment and share, and also like and subscribe to my channel. There's lots of exciting things on it. Thank you. Bye bye.